What if I told you your business is losing opportunities every time a call gets missed? And the funny thing is, you don't even know about it. That's exactly why we built the phone system right inside Lever360. Over here is the phone system. You want to click on it and you get to see the call log, the text messages, and all of this will populate. The all tab, the missed tab, the voicemail, and the recording tab. Instead of you juggling separate apps or wondering which of your numbers a customer died, Lever360 gives you a full picture in one place. Here in the call log, you can instantly see every inbound and outbound call, which number the customer died, who on your team answered the call or missed the call, when it happened, that is the time and the date, and yes, even the full recording and transcript. Isn't that amazing? All you have to do is to click on the call details and you get to see them all. You get to see the receiver, the dialer, the date and the time, the recording, and of course, the transcription. No more he said, she said, because every call is tracked, stored, and connected back to your jobs and contacts. For restoration companies, that means no more missed leads slipping through the cracks and complete accountability across your teams. Lever360 isn't just a job management tool, it's your communication command center, and it's all right here built in. Want to see more on how to use the Lever360 and how it can simplify your business? Book a demo today and experience the difference.